The brackets you mount your light bar with are just as important as the light bar itself. You see, a good set of brackets will allow you to dial in that beam pattern exactly where you want it, and once it's locked in, it stays into place. There's no rattles, there's no movement, there's no compromise. And in this video, we're looking at 2 different mounting options we include with every single hybrid light bar, as well as how to fit them to the light bars before you fit it to your vehicle. Every single hybrid light bar comes ready to mount straight out of the box with 2 of our premium mounting bracket systems. Starting with our 316 stainless steel side mounting brackets, which are 3mm thick. This means that they're plenty strong enough to handle any terrain, mount anywhere you want, and they're going to stay dialed in. The best part is they have that 360-degree rotation, which means you can mount them from any angled surface. Second to our side mounting brackets is our rear sliding undermount brackets. Now these are made from high pressure cast alloy and lock into the rear channel itself. The beauty of that is that it enables you to be able to customize the spacing, whether you're going for a narrow mounting point or a wide one. You get to be able to choose anywhere along the rear of the channel. And because of the low profile design, it means these brackets are perfect for mounting underneath roof racks, on top of license plate holders, or even on top of nudge bars, anywhere where you've got a mounting point that is directly under or over the light bar. Installing the brackets is super simple. We include all stainless steel hardware as well as the Allen key, so let's get into it. Starting with the side mounting brackets is as straightforward as it gets. You've got the bracket itself, mounting hardware, Allen key, and the light bar. So you want to start by grabbing the bolt, put the spring washer on there, and just feed it through the bracket. After that, we've got our spacer, which stops the bracket itself from coming in contact with the housing of the light bar when you tighten it up, and then just feed that into the side here. And then from here, you can attach the light bar to wherever you want to mount it to, and once you want to dial it in, just use the Allen key, tighten it up until you see that spring washer collapse, and then you know for a fact it's not going to move. For the undermount brackets, you've got the bracket themselves, the mounting hardware, and the M6 hardware that mounts the bracket to the light bar. To install, just grab the bracket itself and the mounting bolt, put that through, and then I like to secure it in place with the nut. That just stops it from potentially falling out. We've got the M6 bolt. We want to put our split washer on that, and then our standard washer. And then this just goes through the back slot. From here, want to grab that M6 nut, put it on by a couple of threads, just until you can see it's held on and we've still got plenty of space. Then you want to locate the opening in the rear channel, grab that nut, put it in the position, and then slide it across. From here, you can actually dial in the tilt of the light bar, and once you've got it in place, just tighten it to secure the teeth into the back of the channel, and that won't be moving anywhere. These 2 bracket systems make our hybrid light bars highly adaptable and enable you to mount them virtually anywhere around your vehicle. For more detailed guides or lighting setup tips, head over to our website or contact us at sales@altiq.com.au.